In this week's Very Proud Moment, we recognize Mad Cobra's gold-selling single and international smash hit, Flex.
Very Proud Moments is brought to you by Rain Nephew White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit. Dancehall artist Mad Cobra scored international success with the gold-selling hit Flex. It was a song that came about after the producer Clifton specialist Dylan heard the song Groovin' by the Young Rascals. Flex featured musician Sly Dunbar, and it was recorded at the producer Donovan Germain's Penthouse Studios in Kingston. The song peaked at number 7 on Billboard's R&B Hip-Hop Songs chart and number 1 on the Hot Rap Songs chart. Interestingly, Flex was initially intended for dancehall star Shabba Ranks. In 2016, American girl group Fifth Harmony sampled Flex in their platinum-selling hit All in My Head. Mad Cobra's Flex was certified gold for sales of over 500,000 copies in the US in December of 1992. The song's certification and international success is indeed a Ray Proud moment. Ray Proud Moments is brought to you by Rain Nephew White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit.
Let's now head on over to Guyana for this week's Caribbean video. Here's Adrian Dutchin with Liar.
Kuso. Woke up this morning and I feel so blessed. Ain't got no worries, taking on no stress. Love me, let me do my jump up. Love me, let me put my hands up. Love me, let me give my God His praise. His blessings on blessings, coming on blessings on blessings, falling blessings on blessings, falling blessings on blessings, falling blessings on blessings, coming on blessings on blessings, falling blessings on blessings, falling blessings on blessings, falling. Devil is a liar, I say, the devil is a liar. Can't trust him no way, no day. The devil is a liar. You hear what I say, the devil is a liar. Can't trust him no way, no day. Move away, move away, move away, move away, move away. Move away, move away, move away, move away, move away. Kuso. Be strong, stay focused, be about success. And don't let them haters get inside your heads. Love me, let me do my jump up. Love me, let me put my hands up. Love me, let me give my God His praise. His blessings on blessings, coming on blessings on blessings, falling blessings on blessings, falling blessings on blessings, falling. His blessings on blessings, coming on blessings on blessings, falling blessings on blessings, falling blessings on blessings, falling. Devil is a liar, I say, the devil is a liar. Can't trust him no way, no day. The devil is a liar. You hear what I say, the devil is a liar. Can't trust him no way, no day. Look happy people, this is a happy place. This is a happy country, check out them happy ways. Look happy people, this is a happy place. This is a happy country, check out them happy ways. Coming on, falling. The devil is a liar, I say, the devil is a liar.
Last week's number 1 song was Own a Lane by TJ. Let's see if he continues to hold the number 1 spot on this week's Magnum Top 10 chart.
On a spliff, Glock 17 there with the rubber grip. You know a wild side, never fear nobody. Anywhere we go, fi boy with a new something to the pier.
Coffee come in like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Play sleep up like a helicopter, when them see the lyrics can.
Nothing like when pocket full of cash. Many hungry days me used to face, me can't forget. Me cure them soon up, so me a go one more parking spot. No I ain't up on the
Rather they on a hillside, where nobody know there for time to. Rather they on a hillside, than them on people where
There's a weak man chop. Full serial chop for life, yeah. Y'all say she want back up.
Please, I smoke. I grade in on me medical report. Now stop smoke and me don't take a oath. Build up the herbs, it's a my life support.
Tell me ever beg him, I know my style that. Put me Kyle to him out, me we flop that. Yeah, me have me when I'm money, yeah, me got that. Oh.
I don't know what them do to my heart. Can't love nobody, serve my sound that. But just a live, just a walk. Just like a chew if some spark my
Me no frightened for people, no frightened for people. No, some people a be frightened for me. Just hide me in the street when me out at night. Mother they read Bible.
You're just a damn cops. They don't want to see no one cup. Can't take not a dice shot. The want me lay on ground with me face down flat. Me have some place so me nah go back. Me know a few bridge where you fi burn down. So it no make sense.
It's time to go, guys. It was a pleasure being with you this week. I'm Chrissy. Follow me on Instagram at uniquely_Chrissy and also follow the show at Pree Dis Show. So until next time, see you.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some a gal apart. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cart, no ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take
charge.
Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them.